warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group Nexus PEM 2415B. For today, we would like to present about our final presentation of IPD 1, George's Cake Carrier. Okay, my name is Muhammad Faris Hazwan. Okay, next slide. This session will introduce the mechanical analysis, concept design, and digital prototype that we want to achieve in this semester. And the objective of this presentation is we want to analyze the system of stress that occur each parts. That means each part of our project we have undergo the stress analysis using Fusion 360. And the second objective is to demonstrate the simulation of the product. The simulation is including the exploded view video and the video how the product was functioned. And the third one is we want to preview the 3D drawing or full drawing of the product. Okay, next. Okay, this is our uh, early drawing of the ideas for our projects. Okay, design one, if we can look at the slide, is a 360 rotation plate, and this design is suitable for 9-inch cake. And this product also we can use for cake decoration, for example like icing, sugar, and it was adjustable stand. We can adjust the height of the project, and we use stainless steel for the stand part and the acrylic plastic clear for the base part of the cake. Okay, next.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Fauzan bin Azhar. I will talk about the design too. Okay, from this design, it was designed with a static plate, and it has a small lamp for a better light need. And it also have a bigger base for the higher stability, and it is suitable for the 1 kilograms cake. Okay, for the design tree, it's look like I present it. It has a multi-level of the cake holder. It is suitable of the various size of cake, from the small size into the big size of cake. And it is also heavy. It is also hard to carry. And for the final design that we all agree to use, it was made from the high quality plastic. It is adjustable stand for the taking pictures and for cake decorations. For the cake decoration, it has the 360 rotation of the cake holder. The upper parts can be dismounted from the stand for the portable reasons, and it is also a lightweight.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Azman bin Jaafar, and I will present about the logical chart and perk chart. So firstly, it's about list of feature or function that are important for the product. But the list should not be too long, but it should encompass the major product function. For our morphological chart, we will produce 4 design 1, design 2, design 3 and design 4. And we also have 4 different parts: top, base for cake, middle body and lower base. And for design 1, the top we have square shape. For design 3, we have round shape. And design 4, we have square shape with a holder on top of it. So the base for the cake holder for design 1 is square. So design 2 is round, design 3 is round, and design 4 is square box. And for the lower base, all the 3 design have a single base, but for the design 3, we have 4 base. Next, we move on to the perk chart. So perk chart is a tool used for evaluating multiple options against each other. So rather than basic consideration of the pros and cons of each option, the perk charts give an overview of the needs, goal, and other important criteria for the team versus the available alternative. So the per chart we will use a weightage for, so the highest the weightage, the important the needs the products. So there are four criteria that important for the design, such as weightage, cost, price, and safety. So we will use 4 sketch in the per chart. For the weight, only design 2 that have a minus, which mean the weight of the design is too heavy. And the cost, only design 2 that have 0, which mean not reliable. Manufacturability, design 2 has a 0 because it rather difficult to make but easy also. But the other 3 design is easy to manufacture. So all the design is to use for the customer. And the material, all the design that we made are proof good in material, especially for product 4. And the price also, all the design is affordable for the customer, but only for the design 2 it have minus, because the weight of the product, weight of the design is heavy, and the manufacturability also difficult. So the price might be higher than other design. So all the product we have a good safety factor. So after we evaluate all the design, we will sum all the plus and sum all the minus, also sum all the zero. So we combine all the data we collected to get a net score. So the highest net score is for the design 4, which is 20, and the second highest is design 1, and third is design 3, and the lowest is the design 2. After we evaluate the per chart, we finally can move on to the final design. So the size of the final design is in a medium size, and it's also become portable, and the gripping ability also high. But the cost is low and the weight is low. Although its cost and weight is low, but it has multifunction, and number of parts is so low, so it will not difficult to the customer, and it's also a friendly user.
Thank you, Muhammad Fauzan. Okay, my name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Muhammad Jafar. For this slide, I want to present about the Gantt chart, which have been implemented by us along 14 weeks. In week 1 and 2, we have performed and established the group and organization, as well as identified the project for task planning. In week 2 until 3, we have implemented the mission statement, opportunity of market and customer review towards the stakeholder. In week 3 until 4, we have made product design specification and morphological chart. In week 5 until 8, we have calculated the design of stakeholder and decide to select the selection component. In week 8, conceptual design selection have decided to be selected. In week 9 until week 12, we have implemented mechanical design by using Fusion 360. Finite element analysis have analyzed in week 11 until week 12. Final digital prototype completion have done by week 12 until week 13. In the last week, which is week 14, the final product and simulation video will present in final presentation and slides. The next slide. Okay, for this slide, I will present about the mechanical design stress analysis. The selection for critical stress analysis main part is round base and rectangular base part. Okay, for the safety factor for round base is 1, and the stress is the 5.283 megapascal, and the total reaction force that occur towards the round base is 42.773 N Newton. Next slide. For the rectangular base, the safety factor is 3, and the stress analysis that occur, the stress that occur towards rectangular base is 15.49 megapascal, and the reaction force that occur towards rectangular base is 109.5 Newton. Okay, I will pass to the next presenter.
Okay, my name is Mohammad Patan. So I will be presenting the assembly drawing. So this is the final drawing of our design. We have top view, front view, and side view. So all the dimensions have been observed before we decided to finalize the size. Okay, so there are four main parts in our design, which is the top cover, the rectangular base for the placement of the cake, and then the adjustment, and then the rod of the cake, which is to adjust the height, and lastly is the round base where the function is to support the weight of the whole object. So the material that we have been decided to use is acrylic plastic for rectangular base and aluminium material for the rod and the round base. So acrylic is a transparent plastic material with outstanding strength, stiffness. Okay, so it is easy to fabricate and low cost. Whereas aluminium material, as we all know, it is lightweight and has a good strength. So, and the most important thing is aluminium is rust resistant. Okay, next slide. Okay, this is exploded drawing where we use Fusion 360 apps to draw our design. So exploded design is being extract each part of the design. Okay, as you can see in the slide. Next slide. Okay, so this is the simulation video. So the simulation video shows that the rectangular base can be dismounted so that the consumer could bring the top part only. So it is made in 3-in-1 function. So first we could adjust the height. The second one we could dismount the rectangular base, and the third one we could dismount the top cover. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.